Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a friend on Stumble Guys. So let's get started without further ado. Start off by launching open Stumble Guys application on your mobile device. Once you are done, go and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Once you are in the main homepage of Stumble Guys, tap on the friends icon on the left hand corner of the screen. This will then bring up your friends list. If you've added any friends in the list, you'll be able to see their name on the display. If you want to add a new friend, simply go ahead and tap on the add button in green at the top right hand corner. You can then enter the player's name you are trying to add. Once you type in the name, tap on search. Now, once you've found a player, you can then invite them as your friend. Tap the invite button and tap on OK. Once the other person accepts your invitation, you'll be able to be friends on Stumble Guys and the person will be available on your friend list. You can repeat the step for every other friend you want to add. That is how you can easily add friends on Stumble Guys with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.